Hey y'all, so getting right into this video with this beautiful natural wig that was sent to me from Amazon. I love when a wig company actually sends me a good wig because I'd be so excited to tell y'all about it. Alright, so getting into the details of the hair, this is a 13 by 6, 150 density, and 20 inch. It claims to be glueless, but honestly, it's not in my opinion. But it also says it is HD, and I definitely agree with that part because once I laid this lace down, it was laid very easy to melt. I did have to bleach the knot, but once the lace was on, I pulled out my tweezers, and y'all, I put them tweezers right back because they definitely did their thing with plucking this wig, okay? But then again, I'm gonna say that's my opinion because I love when a wig comes looking natural, like very natural, not that overpluck, wiggish type look. Alright, so on to my wig cap situation. I started adding like a darker wig cap under my light wig cap, and that actually comes out not so bad. Also, what wig glue do y'all use? I am using the Kiss wig glue, and I kind of like this one. It's not so bad. But y'all, this is a beautiful soft wig, and it is very natural. I definitely recommend it. But I am gonna let you all go on and enjoy watching the rest of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.